This should take nothing more than a scrub and a soak in acid. The challenge will be to not destroy the label. Evapo-rust is a safe option, but I don't have enough of it to submerge a part this size, so acid it is. So now I'll flip the chuck over and submerge the delicate side in evapo-rust. And yeah, I realised that it turned out I would have had enough to do the whole thing in evapo-rust anyway. Maybe I like doing everything the hard way. Did you think about that? A faceplate is useless without clamps, so let's make some, the hard way, out of round stock. For the faceplate, I did the final clean on the bench grinder with a medium cutting wheel. For the sake of difference, I cleaned the chuck up with a scourer pad and WD-40. This sad looking chuck key looks like it was pulled out of a shipwreck and then beaten with a hammer. It also clashes with the jaws before they are fully extended.